The sweet smell of flowers, the array of colors, firecrackers are heard, candles are lit, children cheer, blessings are showered, bright light everywhere, shows dazzling Diwali is here.
With heart full of love and happiness, we, the PNPS facilitators, welcome all our dear children on this grand virtual Diwali celebration. It brings lot of new hopes and joy to every heart when it is celebrated with full enthusiasm and gaiety. So, let's begin the celebration. It is the time when
Sam and Simmi came to India from abroad to visit their aunt and her family. They are here to celebrate Diwali with them. Looking to all preparations and rush in the market, they were curious to know the reason.
why there is so much rush in the market, why people look so busy.
Child, this is for Diwali. Everyone wants to be prepared and also they have to follow all the guidelines given by the government.
Is it different from what we celebrate? I am very excited to know more about it. Auntie, can you tell us more about it? How do we celebrate Diwali in India?
Sure, why not?
Hey Sam, I know it is called Festival of Light and so there are so many lights around. At our place, we used to gather in our club area, burst crackers, wear new clothes, have fun and enjoy the delicacies. I love to burst crackers. Is it the same thing people do here?
Yes, but we should celebrate without forgetting its true essence. Nowadays, people celebrate all the festivals only as per their choice, the celebration which makes them happy. But it was not like this before. When we were small, all the festivals were celebrated with full zeal and enthusiasm. We still know why the festivals are celebrated. There is not only mythological or spiritual reason, but also has scientific reasons too. Let me share you what we used to do when we were kids like you. And we would love to hear it. When we were small, we had neighbors belong to other religion and all the festivals were celebrated with happiness and enthusiasm. Helping each other and participating in all the festivals taught us many things about their culture, tradition and customs. As you know, Diwali and Eid is celebrated one behind the other. So we used to have a gala time celebrating it.
We were taught that all the religions are same. God is one. We, the humans, have made this difference. Let me tell you the very unique example. Spell Diwali, it has Ali in it. And if you spell Ramzan, you will get Ram. So see, you should celebrate all the festivals equally. That sounds so nice. Why people do so much for one day?
Who said one day? Diwali has 5 days celebration. Each day has its own significance.
Really?
Close your eyes. We will have a magic. I will take you there where Diwali is being celebrated. The first day of Diwali is Dhanteras, also known as Dhanatrodashi. It marks the beginning of Diwali. Dhanteras is the worship of Lord Dhanvantari. On the night of Dhanteras, diyas, lamps are ritually kept burning all through the night in honor of Lakshmi and Dhanvantari. Hindus consider this an extremely auspicious day for making new purchases, especially of gold or silver articles and new utensils. It is believed investing in these precious metals can bring in more prosperity. The second day of Diwali is Narak Chaturdashi, also known as Choti Diwali. It is the day of festivities coinciding with the 14th day of the second fortnight of the lunar month. This day is to get rid of laziness and evil, which creates concerns in our life. There are many legends behind this, and every legend has its own significance. You might have studied this in your school, right? There is scientific reason also behind the activities. Houses are cleaned to remove negative energies, and earthen diyas are lit as they radiate waves of particles charged with fire element, which helps to destroy the Rajarama laden particles in the environment. These particles start melting away. Thus, by taking bath early in the morning, person feels afresh, get rid of negative energies. Elder ones of family apply uptan oil before the bath. Then all of the family members wear new clothes and celebrate the second day of Diwali, that is Narak Chaturdashi.
It is believed that Lord Vishnu, in his fifth incarnation as Vaman Avatara, rescued Lakshmi from the prison of King Bali. In many parts of India, the day is celebrated as homecoming of King Rama to Ayodhya after a 14-year exile in the forest. Goddess Lakshmi's symbolic form in itself has a deeper meaning. The dress color she wears means that in order to obtain the true prosperity in life, we must engage in action. Each and everything which you see around her has its own significance. This states that if one is governed by wisdom and purity, then one can achieve both material and spiritual prosperity. Her aura of divine happiness, mental and spiritual satisfaction and prosperity always exists around Ma Lakshmi. Thus, by praying to Lakshmi, one seeks her blessings to get divine gifts of faith, purity and devotion. With those, one will always be rich, prosperous and fulfilled. Lakshmi Pujan is also called the main Diwali. This is the third day of Diwali and is considered as the main festive day. People keep valuables in worship. Families sit together for puja so as to manifest Lakshmi's arrival. Small rangolis at the entrance enhances the beauty. This was also the day Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana. Friends from different religion comes to meet us, exchange gifts, enjoy, burst crackers, have snacks, eat sweets and wish everyone a happy Diwali.
The fourth day of Diwali is Bali Pratiprada or Padwa. This day is also celebrated in honor of Lord Krishna. He lifted Govardhan mountain to save everyone from the punishment of Lord Indra. On this day, miniature clay and cow dung figures are made to depict the event. As per the story, Asura king Bali, who was well known for his bravery and dedication to God Vishnu, announced that he will perform yajna and grant anyone any gift they want during the yajna. Lord Vishnu took the avatar of dwarf Brahmin and came to yajna. Brahmin asked King Bali to give propriety right over a piece of land that measures 3 paces. As soon as Mahabali agreed, Lord Vishnu gave to enormous proportion and covered everything in 2 paces. For the 3rd pace, Mahabali offered his own head to Vishnu. He was pushed to Patala by Lord Vishnu. However, due to generosity of the king Bali, Lord granted him a boon that he could return to earth for 1 day in a year.
The 5th day of Diwali is Bhaiya Dooj or Bhai Dooj. In the western part of India, it is called Bhau Beej, and in the east as Bhai Ponta. This day, siblings get together for the Tika ceremony. Sisters ready an aarti platter with diya, sweets, gold ring, kumkum tilak, and pray for the long life of brother. Brothers surprise the sisters with gifts, and sweets are shared.
Now you understood all the 5 days of Diwali and its importance.
Yes, Auntie, absolutely. I am so excited now to celebrate the festival. I will burst crackers more than what I usually used to do.
No, Sam, you should not.
Why, Auntie? All the excitement will go.
Sam, here only people make mistakes. I am not telling you not to burst crackers. You can, but in limit, and use eco-friendly crackers. Burning firecrackers causes health hazards. Because of the smoke, we spread air pollution. Pollution is a big issue of the present day world and has many bad effects on the environment. So all we can do is increase self-awareness and try to find more eco-friendly ways to celebrate our festivals.
Auntie is right. Let us pledge to celebrate eco-friendly green Diwali.
We humans are causing excessive damage to the environment, many of which are irreversible. So civil society groups are coming together all over the country to campaign for a green Diwali and how to celebrate Diwali that is pollution free. It is the responsibility of the present generation to protect the environment so that our future generation get a better planet to live on. Instead of polluting the environment, we can celebrate a green Diwali. It can be an eco-friendly affair this year.
The fundamental duty imposed on every citizen is not only to protect the environment from any kind of pollution, but also to improve the environment quality if it has been polluted. So it is the duty of every citizen to preserve the environment in the same way as nature has gifted it to all of us. It's not only the job of social worker. If every individual understands his/her responsibilities, so our Mother Earth will be saved.
The job of a social worker professional is varied but always aims to improve people's life by helping with social and interpersonal difficulties, promoting human rights and well-being. Social workers protect children and adults with support needs from harm. Being a good citizen, we should make others happy by praising them for their work and appreciating by small token of love. There is no greater loan than a sympathetic ear. Therefore, our mummy and papa give token of love to the person who works for us. In rural areas of India, Diwali, which occurs at the end of a growing season, is a harvest festival. Harvest normally brought prosperity. After reaping their harvest, farmers celebrated with joy and gave thanks to God for granting them a good crop. At the time of reign of Emperor Prithu, there was a worldwide famine. He ordered that all cultivatable lands be plowed. When it rained, the land became very fertile and grains were planted. The harvest provided food not only to feed all of India but for all civilizations at the time. See how thoughtful. Same we see how our mothers, they think about their family and to ensure their good health. Now kitchen garden has become a very important significance. We can get fresh and natural vegetables.
भूख लगी है खाना दो, भूख लगी है खाना दो, भूख लगी है भूख लगी है खाना दो. What is this, Mama? I don't want to eat this. No, I don't like this chapati.
Eat it. Why don't you want to
This
eat?
bindi, I don't want. I want pizza. No, I want pizza.
Oh, Chinky, this vegetable is good for our health. You should eat all these food. Come, I'll show you. Come to our kitchen garden. This is our kitchen garden. All the wastewater is collected in our garden.
Really?
When we wash vegetables and wash utensils, this water through pipeline it goes through in the garden.
Wow.
Now my friend Riya will explain you the importance of green vegetables. Hello Riya.
Hi. Hi, Chinky. Hello, Auntie.
Chinky, your mother and Didi is right. All these veggies are organic.
What is organic, Auntie?
Organic means, Chinky, we don't use any type of chemical fertilizers to grow all these veggies. And it is really very healthy for us. See this tomato? It is very good for skin. And what is that?
Potato.
Yes, it makes us healthy.
Oh, wow.
I hope now you understood the importance of vegetables.
Yes, Mama. I understand the importance of these veggies, and I promise you, from now onwards, I'll eat all the veggies.
Sarva Dharma Diwali celebration conveys message of peace and unity. One of the greatest reformers of Hinduism and the founder of Arya Samaj attend his nirvana on this day. Among the sixth Guru Gobind, it was freed from imprisonment of Mughal emperor. Deepavali is a symbol of knowledge, growth, unity, sacrifice, education and courage. The light which drives away darkness from houses brings joy and also positive charges in it. It is impossible to seek peace by one hand in the society. India is known for unity in diversity, but today humanity is disappearing in our society. Every person should share the light of happiness with others. This Deepavali, let us be the ray of hope for many. Oh wow, Auntie! All the religion together. Yes, Sam. Now let us sum up our story with the street play.
आओ मिलजुल कर दिवाली मनाएं, आओ मिलजुल कर दिवाली मनाएं, नई सोच नए विचार अपनाएं. खुशियों का यह उत्सव है, दीपों का यह त्योहार है. परंपराओं को अपनाकर नएपनता करना स्वीकार है. असत्य पर सत्य की, अंधेरे पर प्रकाश की, असत्य पर सत्य की, अंधेरे पर प्रकाश की विजय हमें पानी है. खुशियों के साथ साथ मानवता का धर्म भी निभाना है, मानवता का धर्म भी निभाना है.
राम तू है, रहीम तू है, ईसा तू है, गुरु गोविंद तू है. राम तू है, रहीम तू है, ईसा तू है, गुरु गोविंद तू है. सभी को मिलजुल कर एक साथ मिठाई स्वागत करना है।
प्रदूषण का यह संकट दूर हमें करना है। प्रदूषण का यह संकट दूर हमें करना है। पटाखों पर पाबंदी घर घर जाकर समझाना है। पटाखों पर पाबंदी घर घर जाकर समझाना है। आने वाली पीढ़ी को तंदुरुस्त हमें बनाना है। आने वाली पीढ़ी को तंदुरुस्त हमें बनाना है। पर्यावरण की रक्षा का आज दीपावली में स्वागत करना है। पर्यावरण की रक्षा का आज दीपावली में स्वागत करना है।
समाज के प्रति प्यार और निष्ठा हमें बढ़ाना है। समाज के प्रति प्यार और निष्ठा हमें बढ़ाना है। वृद्ध विकलांग गरीबों की सेवा हमें करना है। वृद्ध विकलांग गरीबों की सेवा हमें करना है। आने वाली पीढ़ी को कुशल समाज सेवी बनाना है। आने वाली पीढ़ी को कुशल समाज सेवी बनाना है। सामाजिक संस्था का इस दीपावली में स्वागत करना है। सामाजिक संस्था का इस दीपावली में स्वागत करना है।
शादी हो या कोई भी उत्सव, महिलाओं को तो दिन रात काम करना है। शादी हो या कोई भी उत्सव, महिलाओं को तो दिन रात काम करना है। क्यों न कामों का बंटवारा कर देते हैं और इस दीपावली में घर की लक्ष्मी का स्वागत करते हैं। और इस दीपावली में घर की लक्ष्मी का स्वागत करते हैं।
नई उमंग नई ऊर्जा के साथ, नई उमंग नई ऊर्जा के साथ आज प्रतिज्ञा यह करते हैं, खुशियाँ कभी कम न हो नियमों का पालन करते हैं। खुशियाँ कभी कम न हो नियमों का पालन करते हैं। फिर
आओ मिलजुल कर दीपावली मनाते हैं। आओ मिलजुल कर दीपावली मनाते हैं। नई सोच नया विचार अपनाते हैं। नई सोच नया विचार अपनाते हैं।
It was fabulous journey and informative too. Did you like it? Yes. Now I will go and share it with my friends and teachers. Dear students, along with Sam and Simmi, you all too might have understood the importance of eco-friendly Diwali. But the celebration is not over. A special wish and blessings from our dearest principal ma'am, all the way over yet from here to you.
A very good morning to all my lovely children, my teachers and parents. A very happy Diwali to everybody of you all. Today we had Diwali Dhamaka in school. I know your absence was missed, but the teachers, the creation what they did today was the depiction of all the 5 days of Diwali. And it was such a beautiful occasion to see everybody dressed up in different attires and see Sarvadharm in the premises of PNPS. The stalls of jewelry, utensils, rangoli, mithai and everything was so decorative today. I'm sure children, you will love it when you will see it in the video. Also, had you been physically present, I'm sure that you would have enjoyed it thoroughly. This year, PNPS gives the message of having eco-friendly Diwali. And not only this year, we would oblige all the children to have it every year as an eco-friendly Diwali. Bursting crackers, I know it's a fun part for you all, and I will not snatch away the whole thing from you. You can have it a little bit, say out of 100%, just 1% of it, and you can enjoy that with your family and friends when you are together. But remember always, we need to save this environment for your future, for your betterment. So save the future of yourself by having eco-friendly Diwali. Have a safe and happy Diwali to every one of you all. God bless you. Thank you so much.